In this video, we are going to show you how to use Growmessage.com. Let's begin. Sign up for an account. Make sure that you have selected the correct time zone, then click on Login. Sign in using your account credentials. Let us start adding a WhatsApp number to the platform by clicking on the WhatsApp icon. Click on Add Account. Click on Connect with WhatsApp QR code. Once connected, we are going to start sending a bulk message. First off is to start adding the contacts that we will send the message to. Click on Contacts, then click on Add New. Add the name of the contact group to add the contact to. Click on Import icon to add the contacts. You can either add contacts by uploading an Excel sheet in CSV format or by copy-pasting the contact. For copy-pasting contacts, make sure to add each number per line. Once done, click on Submit. Now let us start sending a bulk message. Click on Bulk Messaging to proceed. Click on New Campaign. Select the profile or the WhatsApp number you want to use to send the WhatsApp message. Add a campaign name. Now select the contact group you want to send the messages to. You can add images, videos, and documents to the messages. We recommend the file size to be less than 2 MB. Add the caption or the message that will be sent to the contact. Add an interval between sending of messages. We normally use 30 to 60 seconds. This is to avoid your message as spam. You can schedule the time to send the message, whether today or a designated time in the future. You can also set the time within the day that it should be sent, for example 10 a.m. or 5 p.m. Please note that the time is in 24-hour format. Once all is sent, click on Submit. The system will start sending the messages. Here you will see the message has been received. You can download the report to view the status of the campaign. In the autoresponder section you can set the greeting message that will be sent initially if someone messages. Here you can set the autoresponder to enable or disable, then whether to send it to all, to individual or group of contacts. Set it to individual so it will send it to one person only and not in a group. Now add the caption message. Set the resubmit time. This is the time it will take before they receive the welcome message again. You can also add the numbers you do not want to send the auto response message to. Once done, click on Submit. Now, we are going to show you how to create chatbots. Click on Item List. Click on the plus sign to add a new bot. Select Individual. Select Message contains a keyword if you want to trigger the bot regardless of the spelling as long as it contains the keyword, otherwise select Contains the whole keyword. Add the name. Now add the keyword trigger. This will trigger the bot response. Presence delay adds a delay in the timing. You can set it to typing to make it look like a human response. Save data allows you to capture the response and export it in an Excel sheet. API REST data allows you to send the response to a third-party application like Zapier, CRM or any other app that accepts API. The chatbot can handle bot get and post response, which means it can also grab information from other sources. Now add the caption that the bot will send when it is triggered. Let's add one more bot response with the trigger A1 when someone sends a response. Do not forget to activate the bot, otherwise it will not work. Now we are going to show you how to integrate OpenAI to the chatbot to start getting automated bot response. Make sure is not matched default response is switched on. Add a bot name. Add a unique keyword, although AI does not require a trigger. In the caption section, instead of adding a message caption, this will be your AI prompt or instructions. In this case, I instructed the bot to be a customer service assistant. For it to work, you need to add your own OpenAI API keys. The link on where to apply is in the description. Configure the AI model. Then click on Submit. Let's try it out. Group export option allows you to extract contacts in groups that you have joined. Link generator allows you to create QR code with your link for sharing. In the API section, you get the information on how to trigger automated messages from your favorite platforms. Finally, we have the live chat section that allows you to see all the messages and create a mini CRM to track the status of the contacts. Add different boards to drag and drop contacts and monitor lead progress. Click on the contact to open the chat window. This is the end of our tutorial. Start utilizing these amazing tools and maximize your messaging. Have a great day.